here today with Minjon Jones, and she is with Baked Paper here at the Como Cook's Kitchen. And she's been here for a couple of years now, and we love having her here, and her pink, beautiful cage over here. It's very organized. So, Minjon, I would like to ask you a few questions. The first question is, what inspires you?
People who work with their hands, that can make something from nothing, and people who make a situation work against all odds.
I like that. Who are your role models?
My little brother and my husband, and all the women in our family. They're hardworking and can do all the things I just said.
Yes.
Make something work against all odds.
Good. Tell us something about you that we don't know.
I'm also an instructional designer.
Tell me what an instructional designer is.
We make online learning fun and interesting and interactive.
And do you have students?
No, I'm doing this now. I'm focusing on baked paper. As soon as I get this up and going, I'm going to go straight back to teaching.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, and that's all I have for today.
Thank you.